5-year plans sound impressive, but most never become reality. Why? Because the distance between now and someday is too vast to inspire action. Long-term goals feel abstract and lack urgency. That's where the 90-day sprint changes everything. A 90-day plan is short enough to feel urgent but long enough to achieve something meaningful. Think of it as a season. There's a clear start and finish which forces you to act. Instead of juggling a dozen goals, you focus on 1 or 2 that will make the biggest impact. This clarity is your superpower. A 90-day sprint demands you ask, what's the single most valuable thing I can achieve in the next 3 months? With this focus, you build momentum. Small daily actions compound into big results. At first, progress feels slow, like pushing a heavy flywheel, but keep going, and momentum takes over. Soon your efforts multiply and results become visible. A 90-day plan transforms distant dreams into immediate tangible wins. In just 3 months you can see and feel real progress. Every January, millions set vague resolutions like make more money. By March, most have given up. Why? Year-long goals feel distant, so there's no urgency to act today. Without a clear plan, resolutions become wishes. Earn more isn't a plan. What actions will you take? What skills will you build? A year is too long to go without feedback. You can drift off course for months without realizing it. Big annual goals are overwhelming, like being told to eat an elephant in one bite. The solution? Break your goal into manageable chunks. A 90-day plan replaces overwhelm with clarity. You focus on what you can do this week, not what you hope to achieve in a year. Regular checkpoints keep you on track and motivated. Progress becomes visible, and you stay engaged. Bite-sized goals are achievable. Vague annual targets are not. That's why 90-day sprints succeed where resolutions fail. A winning 90-day plan has 4 parts: 1 clear target, weekly outputs, daily deep work, and a weekly review. First, pick a single income goal for the next 90 days, no distractions. Next, break that goal into weekly outputs. What must you produce each week to stay on track? Then, schedule daily, deep work sessions. Uninterrupted time for your most important tasks. Finally, review your progress every week and adjust as needed. For example, if your goal is to land 3 new clients, your weekly output might be send 25 proposals. Deep work means blocking time to focus solely on these high-impact actions. The weekly review keeps you honest. Did you hit your output? What needs to change? This cycle, focus, act, review, adjust, keeps you moving directly toward your goal. Consistency beats intensity. Small daily actions build massive results. With this structure, you avoid drifting and stay laser-focused. That's how you turn a 90-day plan into real income growth. The first step is choosing one specific measurable income target for your 90-day sprint. Chasing multiple goals dilutes your energy and leads to mediocre results. Ask yourself, if I could only achieve one financial goal in the next 90 days, what would have the biggest impact? Make it specific. Sign 3 new clients at $1,000 a month is better than get more clients. Specificity gives you a clear finish line. You'll know if you've succeeded. For example, a freelance designer might choose. Secure 2 new clients worth at least $2,500 each. Write your target down and keep it visible, on your monitor, phone, or daily to-do list. This constant reminder keeps you focused and helps you make better decisions. When distractions arise, ask, will this move me closer to my goal? If not, let it go. One clear target channels your energy for maximum impact. Simplicity is power. That's how you set yourself up for a breakthrough. With your 90-day target set, break it down into weekly milestones. Reverse engineer your goal. What must you achieve each week to hit your target? For our designer, landing 2 clients in 90 days means sending 20 proposals. If it takes 5 discovery calls to send 1 proposal, that's 100 calls in 12 weeks, about 8 to 9 per week. Round up to 10 calls weekly for safety. Now, your weekly output is clear. Conduct 10 discovery calls. Focus on actions you control, not outcomes. This shift from vague hopes to concrete outputs is crucial. Every Monday you know your top priority. All other tasks are secondary. Weekly clarity prevents busy work and keeps you moving forward. Your big goal becomes a series of small, achievable steps. That's how you climb your 90-day mountain. Now, Turn your weekly goal into daily action with deep work sessions. Deep work means focused, distraction-free time for your most important tasks. Schedule these sessions in your calendar. Treat them as non-negotiable appointments. For our designer, that might mean 90 minutes each morning dedicated to lead generation. Protect this time fiercely. No emails, no meetings, no interruptions. Consistency is key. 60-90 minutes daily beats occasional marathon sessions. This daily ritual builds unstoppable momentum. Deep work is the engine that drives your 90-day results. The weekly review is your feedback loop. Set a fixed time each week to assess. Did I hit my weekly output? If not, why? Identify obstacles without judgment. Decide what you'll do differently next week. Adjust your plan, not your goal. Celebrate wins, learn from setbacks, and keep moving forward. This review keeps you on course and motivated. Small adjustments each week compound into big results. Don't skip it. This is where real growth happens. Even with a great plan, common mistakes can derail you. The biggest? Setting too many goals at once. Focus on one. Another pitfall. Vague, unmeasurable outputs. Always define goals as specific actions you control. Skipping the weekly review is another trap. You lose track and repeat mistakes. Life will throw curveballs. Don't cling to a failing plan. Adapt. Your 90-day plan is a map, not a prison. Use the review to adjust your approach if something isn't working. Set calendar reminders for reviews and deep work. Treat these appointments as sacred. Embrace the plan, act, review, adjust cycle. Stay flexible on tactics, but fixed on your goal. That's how you sidestep pitfalls and keep progressing. Discipline and adaptability are your allies. You now have the blueprint for a 90-day income breakthrough. This isn't luck, it's a proven system built on clarity, urgency, and focus. In 3 months, you could have new clients, a launched product, or a new income stream. The key is commitment, one clear target, weekly outputs, daily deep work, and weekly reviews. This plan gives you control and confidence. You'll be effective, not just busy. Focused effort over 12 weeks beats a year of scattered activity. Your journey starts now. Write down your goal, break it into weekly outputs, and schedule your first deep work session. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Start today, and in 90 days, you'll be amazed at what you've achieved.